It is better to risk starving to death than surrender. If you give up on your dreams, what's left? The virtue of justice consists in moderation as regulated by wisdom. The sum of wisdom is that time is never lost that is devoted to work. The greater our knowledge increases, the more our ignorance unfolds. Make it your habit not to be critical about small things. To profit from good advice requires more wisdom than to give it. Better made with the rest of the world than wise alone. Knowledge which is divorced from justice may be called cunning rather than wisdom. Love is the wisdom of the fool and the folly of the wise. Don't taunt the alligator until after you have crossed the creek. The function of wisdom is to discriminate between good and evil. Democracy is a pathetic belief in the collective wisdom of individual ignorance. He who lives by the crystal ball soon learns to eat ground glass.